So I want to say right away, this doesn't make the Steam machine actually worth $1,075. It doesn't make it worth the money. It doesn't. But this is an interesting concept. So now we're getting e-ink displays, faceplates for the Steam machine. Shout out to Zay Salks, who actually are making these. So this is the company who's actually making actual e-ink displays that are powered by the Steam machine. So just like any other Steam machine, you can take off the faceplate and you can put on a new faceplate. So right here, you have a thing of an actual calendar, which is cool. Then you have this bad boy right here, which I guess, okay, hold up. So this is a humongous one, which actually looks kind of like an old CRT TV, which I kind of think is cool. And then this one here, where you actually just have a smaller display. It looks like you have a knob here. So what I'm kind of confused about is this all the e-ink display? No, it's not, right? No. So there's actual buttons here and this here, but I'm guessing this is all just play pretend, right? Because it's not actually controlling anything or connected to anything. So it's just there just to look cool. And you have the small ink display right here. What I was thinking for a second was that this was just the actual display showing this. But I don't think it is. I think these are actual physical buttons. They don't do anything, but they're a cool concept, cool thing to look at. And then right here we have the full ink display, which is the whole entire screen. And you have, of course, the actual GPU, CPU, the RAM, and the FPS counter. So, I mean, okay. Hey, listen, it's something that I don't think anyone's ever going to buy because no one's going to buy a Steam machine. Well, most people won't. And yeah, so it's there just to be there. So they have their website here, which actually has all the concepts. So it says the front plates for your Steam machine, color e-ink, mono e-ink, and dot matrix. Drop your email below to be notified. So yeah, they have all the thing we just looked at here, which, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess there'd probably be somebody that would go pick it up, most likely, but I definitely am not the market because I'm not going to buy a Steam machine. So yeah, that's going to be kind of how it works. We also have Switch. Okay, they have a lot of stuff. They have this is not sponsored by them, by the way, but they have a lot of different things, which is kind of cool, to be honest. Legion Go, Flip Go, platform. Okay, wow. Yeah, what are people saying? These designs may not be released all at once, which ones deserve to be first to arrive. How is the Steam machine powering this plate? The e-ink version, both mono and color, are low powered by nature, so they come with a built-in battery. As for the color dot matrix, since it supports real-time dynamic refresh, it requires a bit more juice, so it needs to be plugged into the Steam machine's real port via a separate cable for power. Hopefully that clears it up. Okay, so these two have built-in batteries, and then this one needs to be plugged in directly to the actual thing. Which, okay. I mean, I guess that's a cool concept. I mean, hey, go out there and do it. We had the companion cube from D-Brand before they had to can that one because they didn't have the rights to actually make that. So I guess, anything you can do, just you do you. You do you. That's all I gotta say. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.